Hi, I'm Dr. Parvati Raghavan. Let us learn and remember the names of the 12 cranial nerves with a silly mnemonic story. But before that, let us learn some basic about what nerves are. What are cranial nerves? Nerves are fibers that carry impulsive sensation to and from the brain and spinal cord and rest of the body. This is the brain and spinal cord. Nerves that originate in the cranium are called the cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves in our body. They are numbered anterior to posterior, with cranial nerve number 1 present anteriorly in the brain and cranial nerve number 12 present posteriorly. They are numbered in Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, 4 up till number 12. Cranial nerve 1 and 2 arise from the forebrain. Remaining 3 up to number 12 arise from the brain stem. The midbrain, pons and medulla together are called the brain stem. Let's go to the mnemonics. Once upon a time there was an old factory. It made optics. They made a lot of money. So they started making motor, but the motor made a lot of noise. Too loud for the ear. Three Gemini tried to fix this. They sold their car to Abdul for just 1 cent. And this is how his face was. But his pet cochlear chased it down a vestibule. So he gave it some worms which it gulped down its glossopharynx. He liked his pet a lot, so he sold his car, went to Vegas, there he got a lot of accessories. He also got some accessories to put under his tongue. Olfactory, optic, oculomotor, TROCHL EAR, trigeminal, ABDU CENT, facial, vestibulocochlear, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory, and hypoglossal. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.